Hi there, guys. All right. So now we are going to the doctor. We are paying a visit to the doctor, right? When we meet the doctor, what is the first thing he does? The first thing, he looks at us and asks, "What's the problem? Why are you here? What is going on? What are you feeling?" Right? But before we meet the doctor, now we're going to the hospital, right? We're going to meet the doctor at the hospital. So first we go to the hospital. When we get to the hospital, what do we do? When we get to the hospital, we show our ID. Remember, ID é o documento de identificação, é a carteira de identidade, né? Então, what do we do when we get to the hospital? We show our ID, right? Do we show our ID when we get to the hospital? Yes, we do. Do we only show our ID? No, we show our ID and our medical insurance card. Repeat, medical insurance card. Again, medical insurance card. Card é cartão, não é? Insurance é seguro. Seguro é o seguro de qualquer coisa, seguro de carro, seguro. Agora, esse aqui não, esse é o seguro médico, a medical insurance card. Se você não tem, if you don't have a medical insurance card, no problem. You are going to see the doctor, but it's something else that we're going to talk later. All right. Now, what is the first thing we do when we get to the hospital? Fantastic. We show our ID and our medical insurance card. Now, complete answer. What is the first thing we do when we get to the hospital? All right. Do we show our ID and our medical insurance when we get to the hospital? Yes, we do. Get, vocês lembram, né? Que é quando a gente chega, quando a gente alcança o hospital, a gente chega no hospital, né? When we get to the hospital, quando a gente chega, né? All right? A gente já conhece esse verbinho, né? What is the first thing we do when we get to the hospital? Fantastic. When we get to the hospital, the first thing we do is we show or to show our ID and our medical insurance card. Very good. And then, we meet the doctor. What happens after we show our ID and our medical insurance card? We meet the doctor, né? A gente encontra o médico, right? Do we meet the doctor after we show our ID and our medical insurance card? Yes, we do. When do we meet the doctor? All right, we meet the doctor after we show our ID and our medical insurance card. Again, when do we meet the doctor? Fantastic. We meet the doctor after we show our ID and our medical insurance card. What do we have to do before we meet the doctor? Fantastic. We must show, or we have to show, our ID and our medical insurance card. Must we show our ID and our medical insurance card before we meet the doctor? Yes, we must. What must we do before we meet the doctor? Fantastic. We must show our ID and our medical insurance card. When we meet the doctor, what do we do? We tell. Olha aqui, eu coloquei o them para a gente lembrar o quê? Por que que eu não coloco aqui him or her? Porque a palavra doctor não tem gênero, não é? É o homem doctor, a mulher doctor. Então, como eu não sei se é um homem ou uma mulher, não posso colocar, mostrar para ele ou para ela. Eu tenho que dizer mostrar para eles, que fica o geral, right? Agora, se eu já souber, eu vou falar com o médico, já sei que é o médico, é o homem ou é uma mulher, aí sim eu posso dizer you tell him or you tell her, tá? Então, olha só, vamos praticar então como se fosse um médico homem. When we meet the doctor, what do? We tell him what we are feeling, right? Do we tell him what we are feeling when we meet him? Yes, we do. What do we do when we meet the doctor? Fantastic. When we meet the doctor, we tell him what we are feeling. Né? Tell, a gente lembra, né? Que é dizer, right? We tell him what we are feeling, right? What do we tell the doctor when we meet him? Fantastic. We tell him what we are feeling, right? Do we tell the doctor what we are feeling when we meet him? Yes, we do. What do we do when we meet the doctor? Fantastic. We tell him what we are feeling. Very good. And then what happens? The doctor examines us. Né? We tell him what we are feeling, and then he examines us. Ele vem nos examinar para ver, né? Para observar o corpo, o que está acontecendo. Então, o verbo é to examine. Repeat, to examine. Again, to examine. One more time, to examine. All right, now what do? We conjugate the verb. I examine, you examine, he examines, S, right? She examines, it examines, we examine, you examine, they examine. What does the doctor do when we tell him what we are feeling? He examines us. Tá? Lembra que se a gente não souber se é homem ou se é mulher, se eu te pergunto, what does the doctor do? Você vai responder, they examine us, né? Porque se a gente não sabe se é um homem ou se é uma mulher, they examine us, right? Vamos supor agora que seja um homem. Então, what does he do when we tell him what we are feeling? He examines us, right? What does the doctor do when you tell him what you are feeling? All right, he examines me, right? Se eu estou perguntando para você, você vai falar de mim, de você, né? What do I do? What does the doctor do when I tell him what I'm feeling? All right, he examines you. All right. What does the doctor do when Tina tells him what she's feeling? All right, very good. He examines her. Ele examina ela. He examines her. What does the doctor do when Bob tells him what he's feeling? He examines him, Bob, right? What does the doctor do when Danny and Paul tell him what they are feeling? He examines them. All right, Danny and Paul, eles, né? Them. What does the doctor do when Kathy tells him what she's feeling? Fantastic. He examines her. What does the doctor do when we tell him what we are feeling? Very good. He examines us. When we tell him, he examines us. Very good. Perfect. Perfect. One of the exams is to draw blood. Tá? Olha só, ele está examinando o garoto, né? Ouvindo o coração. E aí depois precisa tirar sangue. To draw blood. Tirar, to draw é tirar, puxar, chamar, tipo chamar a atenção, draw attention. No caso do blood é draw blood, tirar sangue, tá? Então vamos lá. To repeat, to draw. Again, to draw. Now what do? Perfect. We conjugate the verb to draw. I draw, you draw, he draws, she draws, it draws, we draw, you draw, they draw. All right. What do they do? They draw our blood sometimes. Who are these they? They. Who helps the doctor? The nurse does. Very good. So normally the nurse draws our blood, right? Sometimes, não sempre no exame, não é? Por isso que eu estou dizendo aqui sometimes. Sometimes, outras vezes a gente tem que ir para uma clínica, né? Ou numa outra área do hospital para tirar o sangue. Então, what do the nurses do? They draw our blood sometimes. Só para a gente praticar o sometimes. What do the nurses do? They draw our blood sometimes. Do the nurses draw our blood sometimes? Yes, they do. What do? They draw our blood sometimes. What do they draw? Do they draw our blood sometimes? Yes, they do. Who draws our blood sometimes? All right, the nurses do or the nurse does, né? Pode ser the nurses or the nurse. What does the nurse do? She draws our blood sometimes. Aqui estamos deduzindo, estamos só praticando como se a nurse fosse a nurse, mas pode ser também o nurse, right? Mas no caso, vamos praticar com a nurse. Então, what does the nurse do? Fantastic. She draws our blood sometimes. Does she draw our blood sometimes? Yes, she does. What does she do? She draws our blood sometimes. Who draws our blood sometimes? The nurse does. What does the nurse do? Perfect. She draws our blood sometimes. All right. Ficou tudo claro, não ficou? Estamos fazendo passo a passo de um tratamento. Então, capricha aí para a gente continuar, que tem mais. See you later, alligators!